Hello friends, I am Ranjit. Welcome to Robo Garage. Today I am going to make a RC drone blood bee. Let's go. These are the parts required. I am using left SI6X transmitter and 10 channel receiver. For the power, I am using Orange 3S 2.2 AH battery, and as a frame I am using F450 frame, which is lightweight and easy to replace. Now assemble the frame and connect all 4 ESC to the frame. Solder the positive and negative terminal to the frame. Make sure that soldering should be neat and strong. There may be chance of wire detachment, so make neat and strong as possible. Right controller, I am using design as IM light, and now connect all 4 motors and make sure the connection should be neat, and connect all 4 motors to the right controller. Tie all the 4 ESC to the frame. This will reduce ESC heating problem. And if you done with all connection, and now let's go to the calibration of ESC. I made a circuit to calibrate ESC. This makes all motor rotate in same speed, and also make sure that motors are rotating in correct direction. The correct direction I will provide in description. Now install the propellers. I am using 10045 propellers, 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise propellers. Install correctly. After programming, our blood bee is ready to take a flight. Let's take a flight. To reduce the vibration, I tied a rope around the frame, which tightens the arms and reduces the vibration. And also I used a vibration reducer to flight controller. That's why my drone is very stable and easy to control. To record a video, I installed a smart camera, which is good from mini drone. It's a 100p camera, and it's nice. will give 10 minutes of flight time for 40 minute charging. Yeah, if any queries please comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's catch up in the next video.